Bonjour, j'ai mon café, alors je suis prête à parler français. Le vocabulaire, le transport. So far we've been learning about how to say that you go somewhere and how to say where you're going, and now we need to say how we get there. So first we could say I'm going, then we could say I'm going to the park, and now we'll be able to say I'm going to the park by car. Like that, so sample sentence. So be sure you have your notebooks ready and a pen or pencil so you can take down the vocabulary. Remember, you can pause if I'm going too fast and give yourself time to write down the words. Sometimes I go a little fast, I've been told. I try not to, but it happens. All right, so we're going to start with some. The first one is a moto. So what I'd like you to do is say it after me twice and then write it down. That gives you plenty of time if you need to pause, and you get to pronounce the words. You can't learn words like this unless you say them out loud. So say it after me. A moto. A moto. We already learned une moto, right? A moto means on a bike, by motorcycle, sorry, on a motorcycle or by motorcycle. A moto. By foot or on foot. Répétez, repeat, à pied. À pied. We already know the word pied, it's foot. So all we need to remember is à pied for on foot. Je vais au supermarché à pied. I go to the supermarket on foot. Sometimes we would just say walk, but they would say go on foot. So copy that down. By bike or on a bike. Répétez, à vélo. À vélo. By car. Répétez, en voiture. En voiture. And I don't know if you've noticed, but ma voiture est verte, comme ceci, right? My car is green, like this car here, comme cette voiture-là. Ma voiture est verte, comme cette voiture-ci. By bus, répétez, en bus. En bus. By taxi, répétez, en taxi. En taxi. Il va au stade. How does he go there? Il va en voiture. Say those sentences after me. Il va au stade. Il va en voiture. Il regarde un match de foot. So now we can say where he goes, how he gets there, and what he does when he's there. Il va au stade. Il va en voiture. Il regarde un match de foot. Let's look at another one. Boy, this is a complicated story, right? She takes a bus to the stadium because she's going to see a concert there. And what does she do at the stadium? At the concert, she dances and sings. So we're going to start with Elle va au stade, right? She goes to the stadium. We're just going to do these together so we get a feel for how it works. Elle va au stade. Elle va en bus. So we're saying where she goes, how she gets there. And now what does she do when she's there? Elle écoute un concert. Elle danse et chante. Elle va au stade, elle va en bus, elle écoute un concert, et elle danse et chante. There you go, a nice, very short little paragraph about what she's doing. Let's try another one. So where's he going? To the theater. And how's he getting there? By bicycle. And we can think about what he's going to see when he gets there. Marc va au cinéma. So this is a movie theater in this case. Marc va au cinéma. How does he get there? Marc va au vélo. À vélo, it should be. Marc va à vélo. Il regarde un film. Okay, here's a bus going to school, paying attention, listening to the teacher. Let's see what we have. Gigi va à l'école. Right? Gigi goes to school. Comment? How? How does she get there? Elle va en bus. Elle va en bus. When she's there, what does she do? Elle écoute le prof. Elle étudie. From those three little pictures, we get 4 good sentences. Gigi va à l'école. Elle va en bus. Elle écoute le prof. Elle étudie. One more. Ah, look, we got a car going to the movie theater. Let's see, or to the grocery store, sorry. I can't always tell what these pictures are. Il va au supermarché. How does he go? Il va en voiture. And what does he do when he's there? Il achète une banane. Acheter is to buy. Il achète une banane. Wonderful. Here's the last one, I believe. She goes to the beach. How does she get there? She goes by car and she swims. So what are we going to say? Annie va au lac. Okay, it's a lake instead of a beach. Same thing. How does she get there? Elle va à vélo. Should be elle. There are a lot of mistakes in here. Elle va à vélo. Elle nage. Elle nage. Excellent. One more. I thought that was the last one, but I guess it's not. Look at the couple. Aren't they nice? Let's talk about her or him. Doesn't matter which, right? Let's talk about her. She goes to the restaurant. She goes by taxi. And what does she do when she's there? Oh, we're talking about him instead. Il va au restaurant. Il va en taxi. Il mange une pizza. Now, if you were given a picture like this, you can make up which one you want to talk about, who you want to talk about. You can make up the food that they eat. There's a lot of options when you have pictures like this. As long as you say something that's logical in incorrect French, I'm happy with it. All right, we're going to practice this vocabulary from French to English. So let's see if I give you the French, you can remember what it means. If you need to look at your notes, that's fine. If you need extra time, as always, you can press pause. I feel like I say that all the time. All right, what's à pied? On foot. À vélo. By bike. En voiture. By car. En taxi. By taxi. En bus. By bus. À pied. On foot. En bus. By bus. À vélo. By bicycle. En taxi. By taxi. À vélo. By bike. En voiture. By car. À pied. On foot. En bus. By bus. En taxi. By taxi. En voiture. By car. Excellent. Now we're going to look at the picture and you need to say the French. This might take a little bit longer. You are welcome to look at your notes and remember to press pause if you need it. So let's start. Oh, to go by foot. À pied. By bus. En bus. By motorcycle. À moto. By bike. À vélo. By car. En voiture. By bus. En bus. By taxi. En taxi. By motorcycle. À moto. À pied. Oops, we already do that one. How about it by car? En voiture. By taxi. En taxi. By bike. À vélo. On foot. À pied. In a taxi. En taxi. Let's go faster. By bus. En bus. By bike. À vélo. On a motorcycle. En moto. In a car. En voiture. Excellent. Now for the next few pictures, we're going to say je vais in front of each form of transportation. So we're not just going to say the way we get there, but the fact that we're going. Je vais. The example is je vais à vélo. Je vais à vélo. Let's do one together. It says that one for some reason is backwards. All right, I'm going by bike. I would say je vais, I'm going, à vélo. Je vais à vélo. How about I go by car? Je vais en voiture. I go by bus. Je vais en bus. I go by taxi. Je vais en taxi. Oops, that one's always backwards, isn't it? Oh, now we're backwards, aren't we? Well, let's do it this way then. Okay, what does je vais en taxi mean? I'm going by taxi. How about je vais à pied? I'm going on foot. Je vais à vélo. I'm going by bike. Je vais à moto. Going on a motorcycle. Je vais en voiture. I'm going by car. Je vais en bus. I'm going by bus. Je vais en taxi. I'm going fast because you should be able to do these pretty quickly. I'm going by taxi. Je vais à pied. I'm going on foot. Je vais en voiture. I'm going by car. Je vais à moto. Going by motorcycle. Je vais en taxi. Going by taxi. Je vais en bus. Going by bus. Je vais à vélo. Je vais à vélo. I'm going by bike. Je vais à pied. Going on foot. Je vais en voiture. Going by car. Je vais en bus. Je vais à vélo. Je vais en taxi. Je vais à moto. Fini! Maintenant, on fait les devoirs d'indépendante. So now we're going to do our independent work. Les devoirs. Devoir is work you have to do, or a task. Indépendant, independent. Maintenant, now. So maintenant, on fait les devoirs indépendants. So this is where I say au revoir, à bientôt, and I will see you tomorrow. À demain.